In front of me is VIVO X51 5G, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select security, and now go a bit lower. Here you need to click on SIM card lock, and now you can smoothly change it by tapping on change SIM PIN. So at first let's enter the old one, in my case it's 1234, tap on OK, and then provide your device with a new PIN to your SIM. Click on OK and then re-enter the same PIN. Click on OK then, and that's it. As you can see, the PIN has been changed, so that's it, congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.